goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't.
Anyone that knows me well knows that I love to use 1,000 words to paint a single picture. Well, today I'm going to resist the urge and let the picture tell you the story. Today we're at 127 Fons Drive here in the heart of Glendale. This property is equally captivating and unique, and I'm sure it's going to steal your heart as quickly as it stole mine. Let's go and have a look.
Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise.
This brick gabled home with its dormer windows, its high ceilings, its open plan living split over 2 floors has been updated and renovated to a high standard. It's sure to please.
I'm gonna see you brighter day. Oh, oh, oh. A brighter day, a brighter day. Oh.
The property itself sits on 1.5 hectares, and the house is perched on a high elevation, which gives you this fabulous bush backdrop, particularly here on the entertainment area. If you want to find out a little bit more, give myself a call, Damion at the
Just
agency.
get over ourselves, I know we should. You cast your spell and now and under. I know the laughter